Wednesday this week I am doing like a modelling workshop day with my agency, and so I need to prepare for that today. It's Monday and they just sent through like a mood board and stuff for all the outfits we need to put together. So I need to raid my cupboard and see what I've got and what I brought with me when I moved, and then I think I'm gonna have to go into town and maybe try and find some things to buy. I'm gonna take you with me because it should be quite a nice week. Maybe this will be a bit more of like a modelling vlog.
It's just like
looking like a leaf.
yeah.
Leaf vibes. Oh, and you've got the green clip as well.
Yeah. And all my jewellery is green if I were wearing it.
Oh really?
Yeah.
So it's definitely your favourite colour.
To match my eyes.
I know lots of people don't like green, but I really like.
Okay.
Yeah, but I always say like that's like a personal attack. Have you not? Maybe scared to like that because they like tell you.
OT outfit of the
Outfit of the day.
Outfit of the day. OTTD.
Shoes, New Balance. Jeans, Monkey. Shirt, some little market in Thailand. And some Uniqlo gym shorts underneath.
And matcha.
Oh, and
What was it called?
iced oat matcha.
How much did you pay
from-
for it?
£4.30 for four.
£4.30, and guess how much I paid for this one? Free.
Some bras, slim. It was so very like.
But the day I take really high, I'm like, yeah, really nice.
Oh, hold on. Oh, how do you zoom in? Oh, slay. Look at the outfit. What have you got? Okay. What's in this? Oh, I love the layering. Oh my god, slay. It's so cute.
Not got any shoes.
It's so gorgeous.
Oh, I love this that you're vlogging everything.
I know, I hope it's nice by the time we edit it.
My name is Willow. Hi, I'm Milan.
So we just finished the model workshop and it was really good today. It's so hot, but it was fun. We did lots of shoots and lots of different looks. And now we're all going to the pub.
No longer the green queen anymore.
No longer the green queen at all.
Yeah, thank you.
Such a model.
With me.
Oh god, you could have said that at the start of the night.
I know, I should have got it out earlier. In her cute house. Meg's the culinary genius. And the career girly.
Oh, the career girl is tired.
Yeah.
I think, do you know what? Oh gosh, yeah.
Sunday. I didn't go out at all yesterday and just spent the day in bed. So I am going to take myself out on a walk because if you can see, it's really nice and sunny. Yeah, really sunny. So I'm gonna take myself out and hopefully feel a bit better for it, because even though I've been home and not been doing much, I've been, as usual, putting lots of things off. So yeah, I don't know where I'm gonna go yet. Maybe I'll just start walking into town. Maybe I'll end up at the beach, maybe not. Anyway, just wanted to update you. I've not got much battery on this camcorder because I didn't charge it, but yeah, let's see. Finished my book. It was so good, honestly. 5 stars to this one. She's my favourite author, so kind of tracks, but I think I really enjoyed it. So yeah. Look at that moon. Wow. This camera's actually so good. She's so beautiful. Look at that. So, it's Tuesday and I am waiting for some bread to cook. I started it earlier, forgot to film any of it, but it should be about to, the time should be about to go off. So, I'm excited. Yeah, hopefully it'll be nice. I've been meaning to make bread ever since I got here, and I hadn't got around to it because I was like, I don't have a measuring jug and I don't have like weighing scales and all of that, but I just eyeballed it, and fingers crossed it will go okay. So yeah, it's olive and rosemary bread and I hope it's gonna be good. It was good when I used to make it at home, so I'm excited. This timer seems to be taking a very long time for 35 minutes, so yeah, I'll show you the bread when it's done. There it is. So it's Friday and I'm off to go and see Sandy and Ben, and I think we're actually going to go swimming. I've not swam in the sea since being here yet, so I'm really excited, but I'm running very, very, very late, so need to go in a minute. But yeah, oh my god, look at my string of hearts. It's like, it's thriving. I'm so happy. That was my like moving in gift to myself, so yeah. Look at all those new shoots and it's so long. Anyway, so yeah, I'll take you with me and I'm excited to get in the sea. What's it like? Cold? Oh no! That was nice. Very cold, but very nice.